Hi folks, today we will talk about how to stop singing from your throat. If you feel that your throat hurts or squeezes when you sing, especially the high notes, this video and this exercise are made for you. My name is Icaro and here on this channel we will talk about voice, music, equipment and other things that you love. Let's start the class. As you probably know, our vocal folds are inside our larynx and our larynx is located in our throat. So, why is it wrong to sing from the throat? It's impossible to sing any other way. I will explain what it really means to sing from the throat to us singers and vocal coaches. From the singer's point of view, it happens when they are singing and feel their throats hurting or squeezing. From the audience's point of view, we hear a sound like a strangled sound. What causes it? There are three main possibilities. Let me explain before we go to exercises. First possibility, your larynx is rising too much when you sing, causing it to sound like this. Wrong. We need to control our larynx position when we sing high notes. Sometimes a higher position is desired to sound brighter, but it needs to be intentional. Second possibility, maybe you are putting too much pressure on your larynx. It happens when you try to reach a higher volume in your voice, and to do this you really need to increase your airflow. But there is a balance between the airflow, the muscle conditioning of your larynx, and the domain of your resonance space. You will develop this technique over time. Don't push your voice beyond its limits before you are ready. Our body perceives the excessive quantity of air as an aggression, and our larynx reacts by closing itself because our body is not prepared to deal with it yet. Third possibility, you are trying to reach the high notes using your chest voice. Our chest voice has limits. We need to understand how to switch to our head voice when necessary. If you use chest voice, you will put too much force on your larynx, make you feel strangled, and it will hurt. This is a perfect recipe to a hoarse voice. People around you will hear your effort and suffering, and nobody likes to hear that. Let's do one exercise for each point of this. The first exercise is called spaghetti. This name is because we are going to pretend we are sucking spaghetti, like this. Touch your larynx and feel it moving down when you inhale. Can you see mine? This trains your brain to understand the movement and prepares your external muscles to do this when needed. Our objective during the exercise is to maintain this position for as long as we can. You don't need to hold your breath for too long, just for a little while. Now I will set the timer and we can start. Are you ready? Let's go. Go. Hold and take a breath when you need. Inhale again to maintain this position. "30 seconds. Doing. Okay. Now take a little rest and let's do this exercise again. Come back to this time below and do 2 more times. The second exercise is using the sound of Z, singing these notes. This exercise will provide a less constricted movement of your vocal folds and larynx. We will sing these notes with the sound of Z. Let me show you again. Alright, can we start? Let's go. pressure. Relax. Low volume. Relax. Final. Okay, now take a little rest again and let's do this exercise 2 more times. If you already did, let's do the final exercise. With this exercise, we will train our brain to manage our flow during the passaggio, which is when we transition from the chest voice to the head voice. To achieve this, we will sing these notes using a lip trill. Understood? Let's go together. Sorry. Alright, like the other exercise, you need to do this 2 more times. Use the time below. Now, how many times a day and for how long do you need to do these exercises? I suggest 2 times a day for 4 weeks. Did you like this video? Have any doubts? Let me know in the comments and don't forget to subscribe. I see you in the next video. Ciao!